Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to add a chat room on your Google Sites, then this video is for you. First, you just need to go to your Google Sites, and there's on website that can help you to add a chat room. So that is tlk.io. That's mean the talk.io, and from here you can just add a channel from here that I can say the tech set, and tap on join. That is my channel name, actual channel, that's mean the website name actually. Now here you can see that it has just prompted or just this text here. So I'm going to add this, wait for it, and I'm going to add again like text and join here. Here you can see it has just online here. So I'm going to add the name. You can just add a name, or you can go with Twitter or Facebook, add your name, like anything, like anyone, like, and then you can just copy the link from here. This will help you, this will work as the code that you can use. I'm going to add a embed section here. So I'm going to go to the embed code here. Now I'm going to paste that here. Now, sorry, not here. So we are going to by URL here. So I'm going to paste it here. So it's just checking the page here, so the whole page here. So you can just insert that whole page here. And now you can just adjust the size of this page here, just like this, or like this. Yes, this pretty cool here. So if I want to add this, if I just want to add that in this section, so here you can see it has just collapsed here a little bit. It just adjusts the size here. So I'm going to expand it. Now from here someone can enter their name, and or they can join us with their Twitter account or the Facebook account. Then they can just we can just view the active person, or they also can view the active person that are currently active on on our website, and the representatives are website, so they can just connect with them. Now don't forget to publish the website. You tap on publish, and tap on publish to save the changes. Now let's see the published website here. I'm going to, here you can see it is just now, that's mean it's the green dot means it is active right now. So someone is on dashboard, that's mean the website is now active. So they can just contact with you, or they can just tap on the three dot button here and go tap on this chat icon. Or this chat has no moderator yet, so you have to sign in as a moderator, so they can just chat with you. So from here you can just simply go to the page here again, and from here you can just tap on it and become a moderator. Tap on it, and then from here you can just become a moderator, and you can just sign up. From here you can enable the notification and sounds here. So you can get all the messages from the person that I have sent to you from your website. So that's how you can easily create a chat room on your Google Sites. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.